Racing, Jesse started. We have Christina. Break quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside. Out of time, Storm. Then comes Ideal View. Loretta comes next. Boyo has it coming. Ingay comes next. Storm Signal. Then followed by Mapagtiis. While Viva Bola is the early trailer by about 13 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Christina by about 6 lengths, and in second is Out of Time, and 6 lengths further back. In third comes Ingay. Moving up on the outside is Storm. Ideal View in the middle. Loretta comes next. Boyo, then comes Hasit coming. Mapagtiis, Viva Bola, while Storm Signal now racing in 11th. Inside at 3 Octavo, we have Christina by about 3/4 of a length lead, and in second is Out of Time. Then here comes Storm, now trying to get closer in third. Down in fourth now is entry number 8, and this one is Ideal View. Ingay, Mapagtiis, Boyo. Then comes Loretta, Viva Bola has it coming in Storm Signal. And as they swing for home, we have Christina, this time by about 4 lengths. Storm moving up to take second, running by the rail. Third is Mapagtiis. Last 100 meters, Christina. Storm is on the outside. Mapagtiis is by the rail. And finally, it's going to be Christina, Mapagtiis, Storm. Then comes Ingay, Viva Bola, and Storm Signal.